Have you ever wondered why guys have their testicles hanging outside the body? Most of our important organs, like the heart and brain, are protected deep inside. But testicles are just out there. It might seem like a design flaw, but it's actually a clever solution that evolution came up with. There's a good reason they're outside, and it has everything to do with how the male body makes sperm. Let's break it down. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Reproductive Report, where we explain the science behind how your body really works. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for a cool fact at the end. Section 1. What testicles do. First, let's talk about what testicles actually do. They have two main jobs. 1. They make sperm, the cells needed for reproduction. 2. They make testosterone, the hormone that controls male traits like muscle growth, voice depth, and sex drive. But here's the catch. Making sperm is super sensitive to heat. If it gets too warm in there, sperm doesn't form properly. That's where the location of the testicles comes in. Section 2. Why temperature matters. Your body runs at about 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. But sperm production works best a few degrees cooler, around 93 to 95 degrees. That's a small difference, but it matters a lot. If the testicles get too warm, sperm counts drop, and fertility can be affected. That's why things like hot tubs or tight underwear can be bad for sperm health. So, how did evolution deal with this? Instead of cooling down the whole body, which wouldn't work, it moved the testicles outside the body into the scrotum. Section 3. How the scrotum helps. The scrotum isn't just a sack of skin, it's a built-in cooling system. It has small muscles that move the testicles up or down depending on the temperature. When it's cold out, the scrotum pulls them in closer to keep them warm. When it's hot, it lets them hang lower to cool off. This helps keep the temperature just right for sperm to grow and stay healthy. It's like a natural thermostat, always adjusting on its own. Section 4. Why evolution chose this design. Now you might be wondering, why didn't evolution just make a cooler spot inside the body for them? The answer is simple. The other organs need to stay warm to work properly. If your liver or kidneys were running a few degrees cooler, they wouldn't function well. So evolution made a smart trade-off. It kept the rest of the body warm and safe, and gave the testicles their own space outside, where temperature can be controlled more easily. That setup gives humans and many other mammals a better shot at healthy sperm and successful reproduction. Section 5. Do all animals have external testicles? Now, you might think that all male animals have their testicles hanging outside like humans, but that's actually not the case. In fact, not all animals have external testicles. Whales and dolphins, for example, are a major exception. These sea creatures have their testicles inside their bodies, and yet, they're still able to reproduce just fine. So how do they manage that without overheating their sperm? Well, evolution gave them a different strategy. They've developed a network of special blood vessels that cool the blood flowing to the testicles, kind of like an internal air conditioning system. It keeps sperm production at the right temperature without needing the testicles to hang outside. Other animals, like elephants or birds, also keep their testicles inside. But here's the thing, those animals either don't produce sperm year-round, or they produce a smaller amount of sperm overall. So they don't need such advanced cooling systems. But in species like humans and other mammals like dogs, bulls, lions, and monkeys, high sperm production is essential. Section 6. Are external testicles risky? Of course. Hanging your testicles outside your body does come with some risks. They're more exposed to accidental injury, extreme temperatures, and even infections. Let's face it, they're a vulnerable spot. But from an evolutionary perspective, it's a risk worth taking. Why? Because reproduction is the ultimate goal of evolution. If an adaptation leads to better chances of passing on your genes, it tends to stick around, even if it's not perfect. So, having external testicles might be weird or inconvenient, but they significantly boost sperm health. And more sperm equals a better shot at making babies. That's why this weird design has been around for millions of years, and it's not going anywhere. Conclusion plus fun fact. So, while it may seem odd, having your testicles hanging outside is actually a smart biological solution. It keeps them cool, keeps sperm production high, and gives males a clear fertility advantage. And now for a fun fact. Back in ancient Greece, male athletes used to tie up their testicles with soft cords before competing. They believed it gave them better focus and more energy during sports. It might sound strange now, but they understood something important. Those organs matter more than we think. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and comment below with another weird biology question you want us to explore. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.